I used frozen strawberries, and after it's been on for like a couple minutes, it starts to smell hot.
Oh yeah. Probably too small for that.
Mommy. Why is my DS here?
Because you left it here.
These?
No, my DS.
Oh yeah. It's in my room.
I know. I found Kiki.
You did?
She in there?
She by the window?
Yes. She is always there. Can Kiki run faster than me?
I don't think so.
She can.
Really?
She can run fast.
She wouldn't be able to run very far.
Why?
She's a little chubby, but don't count.
Here. Here,
I
you
don't
bite?
want to hurt her feelings.
You almost done? You ate pretty well. Here.
Is it good?
The first time I fed him this yogurt, he saw the Mickey Mouse on it and like freaked out and like would not eat the yogurt. He just wanted the cup.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Want to hold the cup?
Yeah. Because I was showing him like, look, and he was like, he wanted it. Yeah.
Bob, do you think we still have those Mickey Mouse candy canes?
I don't think so.
No.
I think they were from Christmas time.
They were candy canes. Can I tell you something from that we bought?
No.
Yeah, it was basically, yeah, it was window. Yeah, but I didn't crash the car. You put it in the basement, also now you believe me.
What is it?
Dog with the blog.
What's
He
that?
recites, it's a show.
Dog with a blonde. It's a Disney show.
You never saw it.
He recites lines
With you?
from the shows.
That's not weird.
No. In the movies too.
You're full, you look like you're a little dazed.
It's not weird. Falling.
You done?
Falling. Ow.
Soap and like lotion. I don't have like baby soap.
What soap does Braxton use?
Don't go next to
Superman.
sleeping.
Or Spider-Man.
Is Uncle Nick still sleeping?
No, Uncle Nick's out on the bike, but he should be on the bicycle, but he should be home any minute. Because he said he'd be gone about an hour and he left around noon. Well, I rinse my dishes off. I've got one or two more things to finish on my computer for work, and then we can play.
Okay. Oh, you pooping? False alarm. Are you done? Because Bob's done. One more bite. Okay. Alright. You ate so
He ate
good.
almost the whole cup.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah.
I'll get you down.
Are you gonna run to the mall, Paige?
Yeah.
Okay. So I was thinking maybe we could take Braxton and Micah to a playground or something.
Today?
Yeah.
See, you did not need to take them.
Oh, cool.
Give me a bit.
I got that. Remember, I recorded it on TV, but then I found it, so I bought it.
You know which one's bad?
Well, is see the bad one?
Here.
See, I
You
haven't
can
seen
get
that
down
bad
and
one.
wipe your
And we
mouth,
like
wipe
the
your
other
hands
one
off.
too, remember the barnyard one?
I don't really like it.
Oh, you didn't like that one?
Well, I mean, I like it, but I don't really like it.
All right. There you go.
Micah. Micah. Like,
He does.
yeah.
That salad was so good. Really easy to make too.